Hash solubility product of SnS₂***. Step 1. Write the dissolution equilibrium ***SnS₂. S. Write left terpoons Sn to the power 4 plus * plus 2s to the power 2 ***. Step 2. Set up the solubility product expression ***. The solubility product constant Ksp is the product of ion concentrations raised to their stoichiometric coefficients. Ksp equals Sn to the power 4 plus S to the power 2 to the power 2 ***. Step 3. Why this is correct ***. SnS₂ is an ionic compound that dissociates into 1 mole of Sn to the power 4 plus and 2 moles of S to the power 2. The exponent on S to the power 2 is 2 because the stoichiometric coefficient is 2. Solid phases are excluded from the Ksp expression. Their activity equals 1 ***. Answer ***. The correct representation is Ksp equals Sn to the power 4 plus S to the power 2 to the power 2. The answer is A.